Sawadee-ka, everyone! Today, I will show you how to make a Thai Sukiyaki stir-fry recipe. Sukiyaki is a Japanese hot pot, but Thai people have made our own version of it, and that is what we are going to make. Dry Sukiyaki recipe with the homemade sauce. First of all, let's start with marinating our meat. You can use any protein you like, chicken, beef, lamb, or seafood, but I'm going to use pork loin because I have it in my fridge from yesterday. So, simple marinade: some soy sauce, some sesame oil, and some cornstarch to make the meat juicier. Give it a good mix until there are no more flour. You want to do this step first to give it some time to absorb all the marinade, and we will let it sit until we are ready to use it. Next, we are going to cut the veggies. Classically, we do use celery, but if you cannot find it, regular celery is totally fine. This one is morning glory, also known as water spinach, or in Thai, pak bung. And if you can't find it, use any crunchy green veggies like bok choy or asparagus instead. Last is Napa cabbage. Just simply cut it into bite-sized pieces. And I know you can find this one. Now, let's make the sauce, which is the most important part of this dish. You cannot have this sukiyaki without sukiyaki sauce, right? I will bring garlic and chilies to a mortar and pound it into a paste. You can make this as spicy or not spicy as you like. Then we are going to add some sugar. The sugar will help us to pound the chilies and garlic more finely. I'm going to add some toasted sesame seeds and crush it to let the sesame seeds release the aroma. The next ingredient is the most important in our sauce. You can find it easily in any Chinese grocery store. It's red bean curd, or in Thai, tau hu yi. It will contain mostly in a jar like this, and inside you will see red cubes of tofu. This will give our sauce a flavor, smell, texture, and beautiful color. And this is the key ingredient of Thai Sukiyaki. So, we are going to add this into my crock mortar and give it a good smash until there are no more big chunks of the red bean curd. Then, we will add some soy sauce, some white vinegar or rice vinegar. And the last is sesame oil for a better smell and flavor. Now, we just stir to mix everything well, and we will have a yummy homemade Thai Sukiyaki sauce. You can make it a lot more if you want. Just keep it in the fridge. That can stay more than a month. Now, we got all we needed, but feel free to add more veggies you like. Let's get started, shall we? I will add some oil into a hot wok. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the marinade pork. We are going to cook the meat on one side for a minute to have a nice brown color on the meat. Then flip it and toast it around the wok. Actually, I should remove the meat once it's 80% cooked because now my pork loin will be a little bit hard from overcooked. So if you use lean meat, same as me, please remove it once it's 80% cooked. But if you use the fatty or juicy part of any meat like chicken thigh or pork collar, you can cook it straightforward. Alright, after the pork is cooked, we are going to add the veggies. Stir for a little bit. As I said, you can add more veggies like carrot, sweet baby corns, cabbage, or even mushroom. After our veggies are wilted a little bit, I'm going to add the Suki sauce all over it and follow with some water. Then stir for half a second. After that, we are going to add the glass noodles. If you prefer the final dish to become soft and some mushy, you can add some more water and sauce, then let it cook a bit longer. But if not, you still want to taste the texture of the glass noodles, don't overwater it and don't let it cook too long. Now, the glass noodles absorb all the sauce. I'm going to make some free space in the wok and add the eggs in there. Break the yolk and let that cook for a few minutes. By the way, if you want to try another glass noodle recipe, you would love to check these stuffed chicken wings. Now make sure you mix everything well. And yep, ready to serve and eat. If you have never tried, you will never know how tasty this dish is. The veggies are crunchy and the noodles are full of sukiyaki flavor. So make sure you will give it a try. I also have another yummy glass noodle dish. It's stir-fried glass noodle with oyster sauce. And if you love noodles, you might find your favorite dish in this playlist. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you on Thursday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. Oh, and by the way, Happy Thai New Year or Happy Songkran Day.